If you're like us, you are procrastinators. You waited too long. You only have 5 more shopping days till Christmas.
But it's okay, because we have 3 unique gift ideas that you can buy any RV family you know, and you don't have to wait for shipping.
3 gifts, 1 take. Let's do it. Merry Vlogmas 2022.
Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug.
We've been full-time RVing for over 5 years now.
And we document our journey right here on YouTube. But for the next 25 days, we are participating in Vlogmas, where we release a video every single day.
Make sure you start at day 1 so you know what's happening. And subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Now, on to today's episode.
Vlogmas Day 19! Everybody, welcome back to Vlogmas. It's day 19. Oh my gosh, we're in the home stretch, and today we're doing this all in one take, as I said. Gifts. We got 3 gifts for your favorite RV family.
The best gift you can give any RV family, no matter what kind of RVer they want to be, is a gift of a Fulltime Families membership. We've talked about this program many times on our channel. This is something that we signed up for right out the gate because Fulltime Families just offers you so much. If you are looking for community, this is the place to be. They have Facebook communities. They have different branches based on your interests within those communities. They offer hangouts. They offer rallies. They offer a big family reunion every year. And it's a great way for the family, the adults, the mom's night, the dad's night to get together. But it's also great for the kiddos to meet other traveling families and other traveling kids so that they can make those relationships, and then they can meet up with their friends down the road.
That's right, and that's why we thought of what were our family's concerns before we left out on the road. One of those is definitely socializing. Full-time families is the perfect gift to make sure your families are being well socialized.
Another thing that our families were concerned with when we hit the road was education. And a perfect gift to give a full-time traveling family in the education department is a gift of a museum or reciprocity membership.
Yeah, this is another one that we've had from the get-go. We have always been a member of Boonshoft Museum, and though we were this close to going this year, we've never actually set foot in the museum. They know about it. They're okay with it. They'll sell you a membership that has reciprocity benefits at science and technology museums, at zoos, and I think if you pay a little extra, you can get a children's museum membership as well, and that's why we like this particular museum. There are others, and as we mentioned Full-Time Families before, they have a great article that I will link down in the description that explains a couple different museums. But we like the science museums, and though we say we're zoo snobs, we like going to zoos sometimes too, so we like those. The kids are a little too old for the children's museums now, but we used to enjoy those as well.
And don't forget aquariums. They have aquariums on the list too. So it's a great membership to any family, really, whether you're a traveler or not. So put that one on your list. What's number 3?
She's doing good, keeping me in check. Number 3! This one came to mind. Families' concerns. What are you concerned about? Safety. And this is one that we've been putting off getting, and we just may take the bull by the horns and get it this year. For ourselves. A gift. For ourselves.
And what he's trying to say is the Ring doorbell. So you guys have seen this advertised. My brother has one for his Sticks and Bricks home, but it is a little camera device that you can mount on the outside of your RV, on the outside of the door, and you can set your sensitivity so that when folks walk by, when they ring the bell, you get notified. This is really, really cool, not just for folks like in a community like an RV park, but this is especially cool for folks like doing some boondocking out in the middle of nowhere, where you don't have a neighbor to go knock on the door of. Having the little Ring doorbell ringing and notifying to your phone whenever someone's trying to mess with your stuff, that's pretty cool.
Yep. And you're sitting there and someone comes and rings your doorbell. Like she was saying, if you're boondocking, that can be a little creepy. So you'll know who's out there. You'll keep yourself safe. You can be out at a museum and you can see who's snooping around your RV.
Mm-hmm. And yes, you can actually install it on the RV and drive with it down the road. In fact, we do have some friends, I think our Epic RV Adventure installed it and has a video. So if you want to check that out, the link will be up here.
Well, we did it! We gave you 3 gift ideas, last minute ideas. Heck, you could probably email the memberships right to them. Easy! They can have it in time for Christmas.
And you won't feel like a Grinch missing out on giving your favorite traveling family a gift. So we hope that you've enjoyed our quick down and dirty list. If so, make sure you give the video a big ol'
thumbs up! If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. We're running out of Vlogmas videos here, but you'll want to be notified every time one of those comes out. And once we're done with that, all our other videos as well.
And leave a comment down below. Are you an RVer? Do you have any of these memberships for your family? If so, what else is on your list? What are we missing? Drop it in the comments.
I feel like I missed some opportunities to goof off a little bit since we're doing this on one take. But we'll go ahead and close it up anyway. Thanks for watching. I am Bill.
And I'm Natasha.
And we are nursing our travel bug.
Encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy. And that's a nice, quick video, because I got some stuff to do.
And that is also giving gifts. That's the best gift you can receive. Gift of giving.
Merry Christmas.
Take care. See you tomorrow for more gifts for all our viewers.